Assignment number 1. What is financial planning and what is personal financial planning? So, financial planning is the process of managing financial resources to achieve specific goal, and the personal financial planning focuses on an individual or family financial goals such as budgeting, saving, investing, and retirement planning. Number 2, what are the steps in financial planning process? So, first, establish a relationship. Define the role and responsibilities between the client and the financial planner. Number 2, gather data. Collect financial information including income, expenses, assets, and liabilities. Set goal. Identify short-term and long-term financial goal. Next, analyze information, evaluate the current financial situation, and identify gaps. Next, develop plan. Create a strategy to achieve the goals, considering risks and opportunities. Next, implement plan. Put the financial strategy in action, such as investing or saving. And last step, monitor and review. Regularly review the plan to ensure it stays on track and make adjustments as needed. Number 3, what are the rewards of sound financial planning? So, first, financial security. Ensure you are prepared for emergencies. Next, achieving goals. Helps reach financial milestone like buying a home or retiring comfortably. And last, stress reduction. Reduce financial anxiety by providing a clear path to follow. 4. List your financial goals in life and ways to achieve them. Some common financial goals might include, so first, home ownership. Save for down payment, maintain good credit. Next, retirement. Contribute to retirement account like 400 or RA 401 or IRA. Education. Save for children education through planning. Next, debt reduction. Prioritize paying off high interest debt. Number 5, explain the business cycle and how it affects income. The business cycle refers to the fluctuating levels of economic activity over time, consisting expansion, peak, construction, and growth phases. Expansion, business growth, income, and employee rise. Last, peak, maximum output by inflation may rise. And construction, economic slowdown, potential layoff, and reduced income. Next, true, lowest point before recovery begins. Last number 6, how do age and education affect income? So income generally increases with age as experience and skills grow, but may plateau or decline near retirement. Education, higher level of education typically lead to higher income, as more education often provides access to better paying jobs. Assignment number 1.